If you want to block or unblock someone on Twitter, follow the simple steps. First, you need to go ahead and launch your web browser and then go to x.com, log into your account, or you can launch your X application on your mobile device and follow the steps. Go ahead, find the user that you want to block, open their profile, tap on the three dots next to their profile. Then there you'll see the option of block and report in the bottom. Tap on block, which is between mute and report. Then tap on block again to confirm, which is highlighted in red color. Now, if you want to unblock this specific person, you can search for their username in the search bar. This will take you to their profile page, and there you can tap on this blocked option and an unblock option will appear. Tap on that, and then tap on unblock again to confirm, and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.